So when we're not actively reparenting our inner child, when there's no real inner adult present, which takes some work, the inner child is building a case, like a little lawyer, about how your present life is exactly like childhood. And what that looks like, it's like, see, I'm such an F up. See, nobody likes me. See, my partner isn't sort of safe, or they're never going to get it. Or see, that person is completely unsafe and whatever. Or see, the world is a totally not safe place. And, feel free to come at me in the comments on that one. That's fair. Okay. But when we're not parenting our inner child and that stuff goes unchecked, it's just kind of goes rampant, and it's not good for us. And think about that. Are you looking to confirm something where your body almost goes, see, it's happening again? If you want to learn more, I'm doing a webinar on reparenting the inner child this Saturday, October 15th from 1 to 3. You go right to the link in the bio, and it's going to be helpful.